All right, so we are going to consolidate the Alex Joe Torin cartoon project and get rid of a lot of extra files. If I go to all here and I select everything that's on the screen, you can see we've got all audio files selected, but you can see that not everything's selected in the clips bin, which means there's a lot of excess stuff that's in the session that we don't want, and therefore will inflate our final project delivery. First thing you want to do is delete any playlists that might be around. You do that by hitting the little arrow down on any playlist selector. Look, it told me that. And we would delete any unused playlists. There are no playlists to delete. If there were, for example, say this guy right here, Listomania, whatever it is, I'm going to go out of the all group, had a second playlist, duplicate. Now it's going to have a new playlist. When I go to this button, we'll go back to the original playlist. When I go to this button, I can see there are extra playlists. When you use the delete unused function, it will let you, there are some extra playlists. It will let you delete any playlists you're not using. Alex, do we need these other rummaging playlists?
We do not.
So we're going to select them all. By the way, I think the select all feature works. Nope, it does not. And delete. So we've just got rid of those, and that's a few more things that we can now delete. Now, we go over to here. Go to the, of course, you got to open the clips bin, which y'all should know how to do. And we're going to select unused. I'm going to show that. And that will select anything that's not in the session. Now you use the clear button, which you can press the, I think it's the delete key, or is it the clear key? Let's try the clear key on the keyboard. Clear key on the keyboard does exactly the same thing. So I'm going to cancel. Clear key. The same as the clear key. Clear. Now here's key. Cancel gets you out of it. Delete will literally delete the audio files off your hard drive. It will ask you a couple times. You don't want that. Move to trash will move them to the trash. You probably don't want that. Remove just takes them out of Pro Tools, out of this session. So we'll do that, and sometimes it will ask you multiple times, do you want this removed? Do you want this removed? You will have to hit that multiple times, or you'll have to hold the Option key down on the keyboard, and it will let you clear them all at once. Now, we have cleared everything, so if I go all, select all tracks, now you can notice that over here in the clips window, there's still a couple random things. I don't know what's going on. Let's try repeating the process. Select unused. So we don't really know.
Strange.
Yeah, well, there might be a reason for that. I don't entirely know. I'm going to expand this out. We're actually going to note, for those of you who haven't used the clips window much, I like to often put show all. So full path. When you have full path selected, it's not full path. You just see the name of the region, or clip as they call it. When you do full path, it'll actually tell you what hard drive things are on. And those are the 3 rummagings that we just deleted.
That's strange.
Pro Tools 11.
That's a bit odd. So I don't really know what's going on. We're gonna try one more time. Select unused. There's probably a reason for this, and we probably just haven't. There is nothing there. So we have now. Either way, we now have whatever that rummaging issue files. We have. Oh, I know what's going on. Those are still on playlists. For whatever reason, there's still a playlist. I don't know. Ignore it. For the purpose of this video, we're going to, now we've cleaned it, we're going to save session copy in, and we're going to select all audio files. Because this is a pros project, we want to move the video file too. This will save a whole new audio file folder. We're going to put this in a new place. Where do you want this? On your hard drive?
Yeah.
So I'm putting it on Alex's. So we're going to, for the moment, we're going to call it Alex Joe Torin Consolidated. I didn't spell that right, did I? Consolidated. I want to see, and then there. And now, save. It is going to save. It's basically making a new folder with your Pro Tools session in it, and with a new audio folder with all the copied audio files, but only the copied audio files you need, because we've deleted everything you don't need. And so we don't have to sit here for 2 more minutes watching the video. What you do when you're done with this is take this copied session with everything in it, put it on another hard drive, or put it on a DVD, or put it somewhere, dismount the original hard drive. So and then open up your new copied hard drive. So there's no way for Pro Tools to look back at the other files that you were originally using. You only can use the new copied files. Then you'll be able to verify that you indeed have everything together and you can deliver it to your client. Good. We're done.